It's magical.
Whoa, the Hot Wheels Mega Car Wash.
Isn't it fun? Welcome to Prayan. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to start watch. You just pull the lever. Just pull this lever right here. Just pull the lever right here.
Wow, that's a lot of effort.
Then more effort. More effort.
Oh wow, you're so strong.
Like this.
Which car is this? Is this something different? What is so
No.
different about it?
It's so different about it. No, it's not different.
Then what it is?
The same.
Oh. But I can see the color changing from orange to white. Wow!
Now you want to see the orange back.
How?
Moving on to the
Oh, it got stuck.
I like a shake.
Oh, magic happened. Wow, it changed into orange. Can we get the car out?
It's going to come out by itself.
Wow, it's orange again.
It's orange.
So what are you doing? Filling up some hot water.
I fill up some hot water.
Wow.
It fits into this. We can move it.
And which water does this have?
Cold water.
Why cold? What does cold water do to it?
It makes it orange.
It makes it orange. And what does the hot water in this do?
It makes it white.
And what?
This rank goes up, this rank goes down.
And what are the other parts? So what is this?
This the conveyor belt.
Yeah.
This the track.
And what are these?
These are the cleaners.
Cleaners. And what is this?
This the filter.
Oh.
The already water.
Oh, it gets the water from the track onto this little tray. So Prayan spilled a lot of water, so he's wiping it. Go, Prayan, go! Go, Prayan, go!
Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Our all cleans. But the level's all the way here. And this the conveyor belt's mover.
So we need to put the lever back.
It closes like this. It closes like this.
So what are you doing?
This is really
What are you putting?
ice.
Why?
Because it will become more cold.
time for hot water.
And what water?
So this is the hot water. And Prayan is filling it up. Change.
Slippery ice. Water very slippery. It's melting. Melting. It's melting. It's melting. Put it back inside before it's already melted. Hey, what is ice doing here? Hey, what's this? Hey! Hey guys! Please subscribe and hit the bell